Your car is hiding secrets that could save you thousands and maybe even your life. Today, I'm exposing 25 insider tricks that mechanics and dealerships don't want you to know. Don't miss secret number 12, a 15-second hack that could save you $500 in repair bills. From hidden dashboard features to emergency lifesavers, these tips separate the amateurs from the pros. Let's dive in. Secret number 25, the truth behind the morning fuel myth. You might have heard that filling up your tank in the morning gets you more gas for your money because colder fuel is denser. While the science makes sense in theory, there's a flaw in this logic. Gas stations store their fuel in underground tanks that are well insulated, keeping the temperature consistent regardless of the time of day. Not only that, but driving out of your way to get gas in the morning wastes fuel, especially since cold engines are less fuel efficient until they warm up. Save yourself the trouble and fill up when it's convenient. The temperature difference is negligible in practice. Secret number 24. Boost your key fob's range with your head. Your car key fob is a short-range radio transmitter, and here's a trick that really works. Hold it against your head when pressing the button to extend the range. Since your brain is about 85% water, it helps conduct and amplify the signal. That simple move can boost the fob's range from around 30 feet to as much as 85 feet. Next time you're hunting for your car in a packed lot, try this science-backed hack. It may look strange, but the numbers don't lie. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Secret number 23, the hidden fuel tank indicator. Ever stopped at a gas station and realized your fuel cap's on the other side? There's a simple trick to avoid that. Check your dashboard fuel gauge. See the tiny arrow next to the pump icon? That arrow actually tells you which side your gas cap is on. If it points left, it's on the driver's side. Right? Passenger side. It's a clever little feature found in almost every modern car, but most people completely overlook it. No more last-minute U-turns at the pump. Secret number 22, the hidden purpose of seat belt loops. Ever spotted that little loop of fabric on your passenger seat belt? It's not a flaw, it's actually a built-in safety feature called an energy management loop. In a crash, the loop is designed to tear in a controlled way, allowing the belt to stretch slightly. That small give can help reduce whiplash and prevent the belt from snapping under pressure. You usually won't find this on the driver's side, though. Extra slack there could be dangerous and cause impact with the steering wheel. It's a subtle feature that plays a big role in keeping passengers safe. Secret number 21, the real reason for your check engine light. When that dreaded check engine light appears, don't panic. While there can be up to 1,400 reasons for this warning, one of the most common is surprisingly simple: a loose gas cap. Modern cars have an evaporative emissions control system, EVAP, that recirculates harmful gas vapors from fuel. If your gas cap isn't properly tightened, vapors can escape, triggering the check engine light. Before rushing to a mechanic, try tightening your gas cap and driving for a few days to see if the light goes off. This simple fix could save you an unnecessary and expensive trip to the repair shop. Secret number 20, clean your headlights with toothpaste. Cloudy headlights from sun exposure and road grime can seriously cut down your visibility at night. But before you drop cash on a restoration kit, try this cheap and easy trick: regular toothpaste. Its gentle abrasives clean off oxidation from plastic lenses. Just dab some on a soft cloth, rub in circles, rinse with water, and you're done. Add a layer of car wax afterward to help keep them clear longer. In just 5 minutes, you'll boost nighttime visibility and freshen up your car's look, all with something already in your bathroom. Secret number 19, side mirror defrosters. On cold mornings, side mirrors can fog up or freeze, making it harder to see. Many cars have a built-in defroster for this exact problem, but most drivers don't know how to activate it. Look at your side mirror adjustment switch. Instead of turning it to L or R for mirror adjustment, rotate it all the way down. This activates the defrosters, which heat the mirrors to clear frost, fog, or condensation. This feature works in rainy conditions too, keeping your mirrors clear for better visibility. No more wiping mirrors by hand or waiting for them to clear on their own. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Secret number 18, unfreeze car locks with hand sanitizer. If your car lock is frozen solid on a winter morning, reach for the hand sanitizer. The high alcohol content breaks down ice quickly and effectively. Simply apply a small amount to your key or directly into the lock, and the ice will melt within seconds. The alcohol evaporates quickly, so it won't damage your lock mechanism. With today's pandemic precautions, most of us have hand sanitizer readily available. Now it serves double duty as an emergency de-icer. Secret number 17, prevent frozen door seals with cooking spray. Winter mornings are tough enough without finding your car doors frozen shut. Prevent this frustration by spraying cooking oil on your door seals before freezing weather hits. The cooking spray creates a water-resistant barrier that prevents moisture from freezing your door seals together. Apply it to all door seals, wiping away any excess to avoid attracting dirt. This simple preparation can save you precious minutes on frosty mornings and prevent damaged door seals from forceful opening. Secret number 16. Road condition indicators. Modern cars aren't just about performance, they're getting smarter about safety too. One underrated feature is road condition alerts, especially the snowflake warning light. This symbol lights up when outside temperatures drop low enough for ice to form on the roads, usually just above freezing. It's triggered by a sensor near the front bumper, placed away from engine heat for accurate readings. When freezing air hits it, your car warns you. Icy roads are among the most dangerous conditions, even at low speeds. So if you see that snowflake on your dash, don't ignore it. It's a simple but crucial winter safety feature. Secret number 15. Escape an icy trap with floor mats. If your wheels are spinning on ice and you can't get traction, your car's floor mats might just save the day. Take out the mats and slide them under the drive wheels, either front or rear depending on your vehicle's drivetrain. The rough bottom surface of the mats gives your tires enough grip to help break free from the ice. Once you're moving again, just pick the mats back up and hit the road. This simple hack has helped countless drivers avoid pricey tow trucks during icy winter situations. It's a clever, low-cost way to get yourself unstuck when it matters most. Secret number 14. Seatbelt safety features. One of the smartest choices drivers and passengers can make is to buckle up. While we all know seatbelts save lives, they're also packed with advanced safety features for maximum protection. For instance, energy management loops absorb impact forces to minimize injury. The seatbelt stopper ensures the buckle stays in place for easy access. Pretensioners remove slack and position you correctly for airbag deployment, while force limiters reduce chest pressure during a crash. Rear passengers get extra protection with inflatable belts. Adjustable upper anchors position the belt safely across your chest. Together, these features make seatbelts life-saving, not just a strap. Secret number 13. Adjustable headrest. Many drivers overlook headrests, but they play a crucial role in safety. Adjustable headrests protect your neck and spine in rear-end collisions, helping reduce whiplash risk. For optimal protection, the top of the headrest should align with the top of your head. Few drivers know that headrests can also be life-saving in an emergency. Most headrests are removable, and the metal rods can be used to break a side window, giving you a quick escape when every second counts. So check your headrest, adjust it for safety, and know how to remove it if needed. It's a small detail that could save your life. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Secret number 12. The transmission reset trick. Is your car shifting roughly or feeling sluggish? Before spending big on repairs, try this simple trick that many mechanics won't tell you. First, turn off the engine. Then, press the gas pedal all the way down and hold it for 15 seconds. Release the pedal, start your car, and see if the shifting improves. This resets the transmission control module, TCM, the computer that controls shifting. Over time, the TCM can get confused by different driving patterns, causing rough shifts. A reset helps it relearn the correct shifting behavior. While this won't fix mechanical problems, it can fix minor glitches for free, saving you hundreds. Secret number 11. Starting your car with a dead key fob. Most modern car remotes have two RFID systems, one active, requiring battery power, and one passive, requiring no battery. If your key fob's battery dies, you're not stranded. The passive RFID system gets power from the car's reader, usually inside the start button. To use it, simply hold the dead remote very close to the start button, within about an inch, and press the button. The car will recognize the fob's passive signal and start normally. Additionally, most key fobs contain a hidden mechanical key for emergencies. Look for a small button or latch on your fob. Pressing it releases a metal key that can unlock your car door when the fob's battery dies. Secret number 10. Tire pressure monitoring system. Since 2007, all cars sold in the U.S. have been required to have tire pressure monitoring systems due to accidents caused by underinflated tires. When a tire loses pressure, a warning light, usually a tire icon with an exclamation mark, will appear on your dashboard. Proper tire pressure is important for both safety and saving money. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, causing your engine to work harder and use more fuel. They also wear out unevenly, leading to early replacement. Check your tire pressure monthly using the recommended PSI from your door jamb or manual. This simple step can improve fuel efficiency by up to 3% and extend tire life significantly. Secret number 9. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control goes beyond traditional cruise control by adjusting your speed based on the traffic around you. Unlike standard cruise control, which only maintains a set speed, this system uses sensors to monitor the road ahead. Set your desired speed, and the system will keep it, slowing down if it detects a slower vehicle ahead to maintain a safe distance. Once the traffic clears, it will automatically return to your preset speed. Many adaptive systems even handle stop-and-go traffic. They can slow down, stop, and resume driving on their own when the traffic flow changes. This smart feature makes long drives smoother, safer, and less stressful. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Secret number 8, conversation mirrors. The conversation mirror is a helpful feature found in family-oriented cars like minivans and crossovers. Positioned near the rearview mirror, it's a small convex mirror that gives you a clear view of the back seats. This allows you to monitor kids without turning around or taking your eyes off the road. It's great for parents, whether checking on a baby or keeping siblings calm. Cars like the Honda Odyssey offer an upgrade called Cabin Watch, which uses a camera to show a live view of the back seats directly on your dashboard, even in low light, with just the press of a button. Secret number 7, electronic stability control. Since 2012, all cars sold in the US have been equipped with electronic stability control, ESC, a crucial safety feature that helps prevent skids and loss of control. ESC continuously monitors all 4 wheels, and if it detects your car beginning to slide, it automatically applies brakes to specific wheels, helping you regain traction and regain control. It's like having an extra hand steering you back to safety. In certain situations, like getting stuck in mud or snow, you may want to turn it off. Look for the ESC button or a sliding car symbol, but for normal driving, it's best to leave it on. Secret number 6, park facing east in winter. Here's a brilliant winter hack that costs nothing. Park your car facing east whenever possible during winter months. By positioning your windshield to catch the morning sun, you'll let nature help defrost your car. The sun's rays will melt frost and ice, making your morning scraping job much easier or sometimes unnecessary. This simple adjustment to your parking routine can save you precious minutes on cold mornings and reduce the wear on your defrosting system. Secret number 5, decode your car's problems with an OBD2 reader. Why pay a mechanic $100 plus just to diagnose your car? For about $20, you can buy an OBD2 code reader that plugs into your car's diagnostic port, typically located under the dashboard. When your check engine light turns on, this device tells you exactly what's causing the issue. And with this information, you can make informed choices about repairs. Sometimes it's something simple like a loose gas cap that you can fix yourself. Even with more complicated issues, knowing the problem up front prevents mechanics from upselling unnecessary services. This small investment could save you thousands in the long run. Knowledge is key. Secret number 4, coin slot and fuel cap door. Many cars feature a small slot or holder inside the fuel cap area, designed to securely hold the fuel cap while you're refueling. This keeps the cap out of the way, preventing it from hanging loose or scratching your car's paint. To use it, simply remove the fuel cap and place it in the holder before you begin pumping gas. It keeps your hands free and eliminates any awkward juggling. This handy feature also helps ensure you don't accidentally leave the cap behind at the pump. Check your car's fuel cap door next time you're at the gas station for this convenient addition. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Secret number 3, DIY air filter replacement. The air filter is essential for keeping dirt, debris, and pollutants out of your engine. Over time, it becomes clogged, which can lower your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Replacing it is simple. Open the hood and find the air filter housing, usually a black rectangular box, near the engine. Unclip or unscrew it, remove the old filter, and inspect it. If it's dirty or discolored, it's time to replace it. Insert a new filter, usually priced between $10 to $20 at auto parts stores. Secure the housing, and you're done. The whole job takes under 10 minutes and can save you $30 to $50 in service charges while boosting performance. Secret number 2, auto roll windows using the key fob. Many modern cars let you roll down all the windows at once with your key fob, making it easy to cool your car quickly on hot days. By holding the unlock button for a few seconds, all the windows will lower at the same time. Some cars even allow you to raise them again by holding the lock button. The exact process can differ depending on the model, so check your car's manual or try out different buttons on your key fob. Once you find this feature, you'll wonder how you got by without it, especially in the summer. Secret number 1, stay clear of freshly filled fuel stations. Pulling into a gas station just after it has been restocked may seem like no big deal, but it's a hidden mistake that could lead to costly repairs. When fuel tanks are refilled, sediment and debris that settled at the bottom get stirred up into the fuel. If this contaminated fuel enters your car, it can clog the fuel injectors and filters, causing poor performance and expensive repairs. If you see a tanker truck at the station, drive away and return the next day. This allows any disturbed particles to settle, ensuring you get cleaner fuel and a smoother running engine. There you have it, 25 car secrets that separate the amateurs from the experts. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more auto insights. See you in the next video.